Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and today I am going to start the topic component in Revit. So component is situated just beside this window category in our ribbon panel, and you can see this is the component, and if you click this arrow you can find two subcategories, that is place a component and model in place. So both are important and we'll understand one by one. So today I am going to make you understand about place a component, and in the next video tutorial we'll understand model in place. So both are different. So I'm going to select this place a component, and as the definition is suggesting, it is used to place an element inside your building project, or if you select any element you can place inside your project by going to this place a component. So I am going to select this place a component, and you can see already I have inserted my family of curtain, and you can see it is already selected, and you can place anywhere inside your model, and better we'll place by considering our floor plan, and based on component we can place our model. So I'm going to place a component, and if you click this arrow in properties you can see some default categories like desk. If you want to place a desk you can also place curtains, and already I have inserted from my folder. So I will go and place any furniture here. So I'm going to place this scones here, and I will select, and you can see this is the type of element, and it is asking for placement. If you want to place on vertical place on face, or place on work plane. So I will select place on work plane, and you can place anywhere. So I am going to place it here, and if you go to your 3D view you can see this is the scones, and this is small in size. So we'll select sofa, which is not available here. So I will go to my insert tab here, and you can load family, and I'm going to libraries, and we'll select English Imperial because I'm working in fit, and if you are working in metric you will select metric units. So I'm going to furniture here, and now I will select sitting, and you can select this couch here. I'm going to open, and now we'll go to our architecture tab, and now I am going to this component again, and I will select this one, place a component, and you can see this couch is already in our this properties, and you can drag this couch here, and you can place anywhere based on your planning, and I'm going to place it in living area, and you can rotate this by space bar. If you click space bar it will change direction, and if it's not changing you can rotate it from by rotating, and you can give your angle. So you can check it from view tab here. I can see our couch is placed in living area. Likewise you can place a bed, and you can also make your own folder. So I will go and I will go to insert tab, load family, and now we'll select bed, and I'm going to select this any bed here, and we can open it, and now again we'll check. We'll go to component, place a component. I can see bed is already in our properties bar, so we will place bed here, and we'll check it into 3D view, and you can see our bed is placed here. So suppose if you want to give some different types of beds, some modern beds here, so there are limited numbers of models in our family folder libraries of Revit. So if you go and check here in insert tab, there are not many numbers of beds here available here, so you have to download it from Google. So I will give you some good websites where you can download it free. So first one is revitcity.com. You have to create your profile and you can search bed here, and you have to go to this search, and I will search bed, modern bed, anything you can search, furniture, trees, plants, sofas, chairs. You can download it from Revit City. It is free and you can download any bed. So suppose I am going to download this modern bed, and you can save it to any folder. After downloading, it's getting downloaded. So based on the textures and materials, it may take time. So we'll wait for timing. So it is downloaded, and you can save it to any folder, and you can insert it. So I will go to, you can also directly drag and drop. So I will prefer to show you by inserting. So I will go to my architecture tab, and I will go to insert, load family, and you can go to your folder where you have saved this beds, modern bed. So I will go to my desktop, this PC. I will go to my download folder, and here it is, my modern bed, and I will click open. And now we'll go to architecture component, place a component, and you can see our bed is already there, and you can place it by rotating, and you can press space bar on your laptop or computer keyboard, and you can rotate it easily. If it's not happening, you can select and rotate it from here. So we'll go to 3D view, and you can see our bed is placed. So likewise, you can search and you can create own libraries of Revit, and you can, I will give you some more free websites. One is Beam Object. Here you can create similar profiles, and you can download like doors, windows, anything which is required for your designing. And you can download any beam objects. You can give your file types here. If you want SketchUp file also, you can download. If you want AutoCAD also. So if you want to Revit, you can give your categories here, Revit, and you can download the Revit files here. By default, it's given here. So likewise, you can download it from this website also, Beam Object. So next one is Autodesk National Beam Library. You can also create similar profiles and download free beam objects. And next is Modeler, and you can also do the similar things, and you can download. And there are many other free websites which you can search on Google, and you can create own family of elements, and you can create your libraries, and you can use for your project like lightings and fixtures also. You can download. You can download sanitary fixtures, and likewise you can create a big library on your own, and you can make a library, and later on you can use it in your project. So I think you have understood completely this let's say component, and in the next video tutorial we will understand about model in place, and we'll go in depth in this because this is also important. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.